core engaged. Arms come up by the ears, and we're going to push back. So you're going to push back with the bum, relax the shoulders. The shoulder blades should be keeping nice and back. Head stays in neutral. And push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Come up again. Don't allow the knees to come together. Nice long neck. Keep breathing. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back. Go again. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come up. 2 more. Last one. Lift back up through the body. Shoulder roll. Take the legs slightly wider. Core engaged, so tuck the tailbone in, relax the shoulders down. And we're just going to come down. Reach forward with the arms, but push the shoulder blades back. Core engaged. Bring it back up. So everything's nice and stable here. Chest stays up. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back up. Go again. Keep the shoulders relaxed, down away from the ears. So really push the shoulder blades back. Push through the feet, come back up. Go again. When you come back, really make sure those shoulders stay back. Don't round the shoulders. And come back up. 2 more. Last one. And come up. Shoulder roll. Just turning my heater off. It's got too warm now. Okay, take the legs a little wider, feet at an angle. Tuck the tailbone in. Arms come up in front, shoulders relaxed. And we're going to come down and hold. Keep breathing. Okay, we're going to pulse for 10, slow and steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it back up. Go again. Tailbone tucked in. Arms come up, shoulders relaxed. Bring it back down. Hold. Lift alternate heels. Come on, Helen, you can do it. Ah. Okay, 1 more each side. And push back up. Shoulder roll. Okay, taking the tailbone in, we're going to come down into a squat. But we're going to tip from the torso. Bring it back to center. And tip. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Back to center. Tip. Center. Tip. center, tip, center, tip, center, push back up, shoulder roll. Okay, we're going to come down to the mat. We're going to come down onto all fours. There we go. Thank you very much, guys. Lovely to see you.